Chaos, uncertainty in the concrete jungle. Not sure where it's gonna take us. But still, there are patches unexplored. Singing the glory of Mother Earth. Come, join hands with us towards eternal serenity. A place which has nothing but everything.
Well, you have witnessed several waterfalls in Hawaii, South Korea, Himachal and Sikkim, right? Then what are your expectations on Sathodi Falls?
Well, I'm very much excited about tomorrow because different waterfalls at different places mean completely different to me. What are your expectations for tomorrow?
Well, right now I don't have any answers. Let's explore it tomorrow. By the way, I hope that the weather will be in our favor.
I wish it does, man.
At the crack of dawn began our journey, the ride to Sathodi Falls. What's driving us crazy is a spectacular view of the 49.2 feet tall waterfall, which we have been hearing since our childhood days. So we are on a 75-kilometer ride through the thick dandelion forest towards a secluded patch amidst the jungle. Starting from Dandeli to Sathodi Falls near Yellapur in the Uttar Kannada district of Karnataka. Several unnamed streams constitutes the Sathodi Falls near the Kallaramane Ghat. The stream then flows into the river Kali. The initial part of the journey were full of pristine roads. We wondered how the roads remained intact in such a remote place. But later, the roads seemed to be part of the rough mountains, which tested our patience and courage at every step. It seemed that the forests never going to leave our side, and the mountains kept getting bigger. We were riding through the forest as if we were the forest itself. The life supporter of dandelions, that is River Kali, appeared every now and then, reminding us of the wonderful upcoming destination. We parked our bikes at a point further which we had to trek. The trek was a bit strenuous, but the soothing sounds of the waterfall kept amplifying as we moved further. This kept our motives high. Peace is flowing like a river, flowing out of you and me, spreading out into the desert, setting all the captives free. So, what do you have to say about this?
I have no words. I'm speechless right now.
Then we realized peace is not an entity to be searched. We have never lost it. When you are together, you are at peace. When you are divided, you rest in peace.